What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you. You already know what's going on. You seen the title of the video? Yeah, look. Yeah, baby, we got some legend suspensions, baby. Hey, we gonna get these babies installed today. Yep, today. Hey, kick the intro ass. Let's do this. Peace. What's up, everybody? I'm back. We finna install these shocks here, the Legend suspensions, baby. So yeah, first we're gonna take this one off. We're gonna take both of them off first, and then we're gonna install both of them on here at the same time. So, but let me get this off, and then we'll start getting them back on. Go ahead and put some blue Loctite on here. As you can see, we got the first side on here, and it's pretty easy. And I'll show you what to do on the other side. And pretty much I got my rebound on 3 already. It came set, preset already, but I'm gonna try to get it to my likings so that I'll be comfortable with my ride. So let's get the other side installed. So what you need to do and how this goes, the small little washer goes here on first, then it goes through here, and then you put the big one on here. And you do both bolts like that for this side. Goes through here, and the big one goes to the outside. So yeah. Let's get this baby on here. And we're gonna add some blue Loctite to both bolts. We sure don't want to come off down the road. That ain't gonna be no good. As you can see, these, I already got my rebound set on 3. I'm gonna try that first because it got 6 settings on here. As you can see, it's got 6. So I think as you go up, 4 and 5 and 6 are the stiffest. And if you want a little bouncy ride or loose ride, you can go down to 2 and 1. So that looked great on there. So yep. So we got both of them installed. And I'm ready to get this Cadillac ride, baby. I'm gonna take it for a ride and show you, try to place my camera somewhere so you can check out the ride, see the shocks, and try to hit some bumps and see what I get out of that. So man, I'm gonna get back with y'all, and I thank y'all for watching my video. So y'all please click the like, share, and subscribe button to Kelly's Bees channel, man. So yeah, I'm gonna get a quick ride and show you what's going on with these Legends, baby. Peace. All right, everybody, here we go. We're just going for a little test ride to see how the Legends suspension rides. Oh man, I can tell already. It's a big difference, and I ain't went nowhere. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can tell already. Yeah, this feels good. Yeah, I just want to come over here and get a couple of shots of the Legend suspensions as I ride. Oh man, they feel good, man. You can tell already. That is crazy. I know I'm gonna love this. Yes, I am. I'm definitely gonna love this. I'm not gonna go too far because it's already getting kind of late. But yeah, I just wanted to get a shot and a nice ride on here just to see how the Legends perform. And oh man, I just went over that bump like it was nothing. That is what I'm talking about right there. So like, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm gonna say it like this: y'all just have a blessed weekend. I mean, a blessed, awesome weekend. All right, peace.